The murder trial of former Senzo Meyiwa has taken another dramatic turn, but this time the spotlight is on the state prosecutor rather than the 5 accused men. Senzo's older brother Sifiso Meyiwa has opened a criminal case against advocate George Baloyi, accusing him of fraud, corruption, perjury, and defeating the ends of justice. The case was reportedly opened in Umlazi, where Sifiso also released a letter to top officials claiming Baloyi presented fraudulent cell phone records linked to accused Bongani Ntanzi. He argues the records show the phone moving between locations while Ntanzi was allegedly already in police custody and the device had been confiscated. Sifiso also believes the current trial may be protecting the real killers and claims the crime scene in Vosloorus was tampered with before proper investigations were done. With the family already doubting the 5 accused, this new case adds even more controversy to the long-running trial as South Africans continue to wait for the truth behind the death of the former Orlando Pirates goalkeeper.